the few things that we have to look out for are, first of all, not everything is rosy, as we call it, and to say the least. First of all, a lot of people are talking about a crisis that is coming up in the housing market because you're going to have a lot of foreclosure for single-family homes or for apartments or for condos, meaning people that own their own properties, because there's so many evictions that are being delayed, that are being postponed right now due to the pandemic, and this is going to happen. And on one side, just like every time we see that, on one side, apartments and housing and single-family homes that are going to be ditched and the supply is going to be oversupply over there. There's going to be a shortage of rentals because everybody's going to move to multifamily, and therefore the rental is going to go up. So that's what a lot of people are talking about that we're going to see. At the same time, we see we're talking about industrial a lot, industrial, and we see the shift from losing, people losing jobs, people losing their, places in retail, as we call it, and moving into warehousing, moving into industrial, moving into storage, and all these things, and the investments are moving there, and cap rates are going lower, and that's what we're seeing over and over again. This is not. This is something that we have to, first of all, I always tell everybody, take it deal by deal. Deal by deal is the name of the game. Why? Because when you see cap rates going down, it also could mean a certain type of a bubble. You have to be careful when it comes to that, and you have to see, and you have to look out for that. So we have to look at the delinquencies of, when it comes to residential, where the mortgages are being, you have foreclosures and things like that starting to happen. And you have to look out for the investments that everybody running towards. If it's multifamily, that they're not, that there you see stability in the properties. And on the other hand, when you see industrial or retail, all these things, and everybody's moving from retail investments that are failing, obviously, that got the hardest hit, and everybody's moving to industrial, you want to make sure, we all want to make sure, we want to see that a deal by deal analysis is very, very important to apply, and that we're seeing the numbers for that particular deal, because the market is unknown yet, and even though everybody's running towards something, again, if cap rates are going down, it could mean a certain type of a bubble. You guys take care. Have a good one.